Title: Why this ancient food will disappear in 2026. An ancient food that survived wars, famines, and centuries is now on the brink, and 2026 might be its final year. Stay to the end to learn if it can be saved, or if it's already too late. Right then, picture a food that fed emperors, soldiers, whole civilizations. It lit ancient lamps, healed wounds, turned simple bread into a feast. I'm talking about real extra virgin olive oil. It survived wars, empires, famines. But 2026? That might be the year it disappears from kitchens, restaurants, daily life. Here's what's pushing this legendary staple to the edge. First, the climate crunch. Spain, Italy, Greece. Olive trees are hardy, sure, but back-to-back scorching summers and dry winters mean fewer blossoms, smaller fruit, and empty presses. Harvests have plunged, prices have rocketed. And when a staple gets pricier than steak, people stop buying. Second, a silent killer. Xylella fastidiosa, an invasive bacterium, has ripped through groves. Once a tree's infected, that's it. Entire landscapes of ancient trees, gone. Replanting takes years. Generations of knowledge, wiped in a season. Third, the money squeeze. Small mills are shutting. They can't survive erratic harvests, pricey energy, stricter rules. Big brands blend or switch grades to keep shelves full. North America, Asia, what little premium oil exists gets snapped up before it reaches your local shop. Fourth, fraud. Cutting with seed oils, mislabeling origins, faking extra virgin. Trust collapses and buyers walk away. Put it all together and you get a 2026 where for millions, real extra virgin isn't just expensive, it's not there. Supermarkets cut shelf space, restaurants swap to blended oils, home cooks give up. So, is it already too late? Not if we act like history matters. Here's what actually helps. Buy direct from trusted producers and co-ops. Look for harvest date, estate info, sensory notes. Freshness matters. Support drought-resistant cultivars, regenerative farming, smarter irrigation. Back replanting where Xylella hit hardest. Nurseries and grafting programs need demand and donations. Push for clear labeling. Real testing to keep fakes off shelves. Store it right. Cool, dark, sealed. Treat it like fruit juice because it is. Can this ancient food be saved? Yes, but only if we stop treating it like a luxury and start treating it like living heritage. If 2024 and 2025 were warnings, 2026 is the deadline written in bold. The clock's ticking. Next time you pour that green gold ribbon over bread, remember, you're tasting 6,000 years of human history. Let's make sure it doesn't end on our watch.